So, Neco students, the Neco 2025 timetable is out. So you can see it on your screen. National Examination Council Neco 2025 Senior School Certificate Examination internal. You see it starts from Monday 16th of June to Friday 25th July 2025. So the timetable is officially out. Okay, you can see on Monday 16th of June you have physical education practical, home management, food and education, woodworking, clothes and textile, upholstery, all that, animal husbandry on that 16th of June. Okay, then by the time you get to 23rd of June you have data processing practical. Okay, so you get down to Thursday 26th of June you already have marketing. You have you have marketing on that day, you have commerce, you have bookkeeping, you have data processing, all these are an objective. So exams will start fully then, and then you see as early as Monday 30th of June you have chemistry practical. Okay, chemistry practical, and the next day you have you have Igbo, Yoruba, your local languages. And on Wednesday 2nd July you have English and objective, essay and orals. Okay, and then you get to Thursday 3rd July you have physics practical and also essay and objective of government. Okay, so Neco timetable is out. You can already see Monday 7th July you have drama and poetry, literature and English. We have biology, essay and objective typing. So Neco timetable for 2025 is out. Chemistry on Wednesday 9th July. So we have essay and objective. That's when you also have literature, prose and objective. Alright, so this is the timetable officially out. Do well to prepare for exams, and it is fully blown on you now. Okay, so if you need someone to prepare you for exams, say you have difficulty understanding when you study alone, you can DM me on WhatsApp. The number is displayed on your screen now, and we'll get you ready for exams. So we have a WhatsApp community where we prepare students for exams on WhatsApp. The number is displayed on your screen. DM me on that number, and then we'll have the help you need. Okay, whatever help you need for your academics, DM me on that number on WhatsApp, and you will get all you need. But the classroom is not free. You pay a little fee. Okay, and also we'll be dropping a lot of content on this platform, on this channel. Do well to check back, subscribe to the channel so that you easily see what the resources we release, and also like the videos, share the videos to your friends. You'll see a lot of resources. Go to the playlist, and then you see a lot of resources where you can use and pass your exam with flying colors. Okay, so the examination timetable Neco is out, and if you want PDF for it, still DM me with that number and I will send you the PDF. Right? Good luck to the Neco students, because I know this year you're going to excel in your exams. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to this channel. You can do it now. Just 1 second. Just click subscribe button. Thank you for listening. Bye.